like banana muffins? I do too. These are really easy, and they have a secret special ingredient that gives them a different flavor than the normal banana muffins. They freeze well, but they won't last long. Let's get started. First, you're gonna need 4 old bananas. Mash your bananas into a bowl. I like to use the potato masher, but you could use a fork. Oh yeah, also preheat your oven at 350. To your bananas, you're gonna wanna add a cup of coconut oil and a cup and a half of sugar. I use cane sugar. That's a lot. You could do a little less sweet if you wanted to. Get your mixer out and mix it up until it's all blended. Next, we're gonna add our vanilla extract or baker's extract. I use baker's extract because I was being cheap. Do 2 teaspoons ish, and then add 3 eggs. Blend it up again. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Throw in some nutmeg. Be generous, it's good. 2 tablespoons of Ceylon cinnamon, or much less if you're using Vietnamese cinnamon, because that stuff is spicy hot. Little salt. Cup and a half of flour. Mix a little bit with your spatula, just so the flour doesn't fly anywhere. Yum yum! Alright, next we're gonna add our secret ingredient, which is 1 cup of oats that have been soaked for a couple hours in 1 cup of orange juice. These are whole oats. Stir that up. You want to run a paper towel with a little bit of coconut oil or butter on the top of the pan, just in case they spill over, so they don't all get stuck to your pan. Have you ever heard of a red banana? It's a real thing. Isn't that funny? This one's kind of brown. It's a little bit ripe. But they're from, these ones are from Ecuador. And they're a lot like a normal banana, except for a little sweeter and maybe a little bit more creamy. I saw them first when I was in Arizona on vacation. They got a little thicker skin too. I saved this one to show you. Really good. If you see them, you should try them. So as you're cooking them, you're gonna see from being totally wet on the top, you're gonna see them bake up and bubble up almost like pancakes. And that's how you can tell when they're done. If you do the little half muffins, it'll take, in my oven, it took about 11 minutes. And the full ones, they will take probably about 20. But check it with the fork, and when you pull the fork out and nothing's really stuck to it, that's when they're done. And there you have it, pretty easy. If you try them, let me know if you like them, because I really love them. I think they're very special, and I hope you love them too. Have a great day. Yum yum!